back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We have a lovely little treat for you today. Riding in a first generation 1964 Chevy 2 Nova. That is right, folks. God has graciously bestowed upon us the beautiful first generation Nova, which you do know inspired from 1962 to 1965. But to really get into it, 1964 was actually the first year offered a V8 engine by GM. Going into the one we have here, though, featuring a beautiful old style color called Azure Aqua. Also featuring the old school Chevy SS hubcaps, beautiful trim. The car is absolutely immaculate with the paint. Moving on to the interior now, featuring a 4-speed manual, matching Azure Aqua interior. The bucket seats feel brand new, like you just came out of the factory floor. Other than that, you do have the nice Dolphin style gauges, aftermarket style 2-knob radio, and even that, you have this big, nice, I want to say late model wooden wheel. Of course, the original ones had the built-in horn inbuilt, but other than that, it is a wonderful car. Underneath the hood, you got that nice 327, very built motor with the aluminum heads. Meant to look stock, but it is definitely a super sleeker kind of ride. And other than that, everything does match up to the trim tags. However, one thing I do want to mention is that this car is in fact a true SS car. That is right, you do not see much SS cars anymore, or tributes or the lame Malibus that you don't even want to see anymore. But as for now, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.